Well, yes, it actually is more of decline coming in for the base metal prices there. You have seen nearly 3-week lows coming in for the copper prices as well. The recent data from the Chinese markets has been on the negative side. You also have seen statements coming in saying that the China has now ordered industry to cut manufacturing capacity and make it idle by the month of September. So that tells you that the restocking is not going to happen at a pace that markets were expecting. And that's the reason you have seen 1% to 2% decline coming in for most of those commodities. It definitely is choppy in the precious metal space as well ahead of the FOMC meeting tomorrow on what statement or stance that they would have on QE. So ahead of that, the gold prices have declined. You also have silver prices declining below $20 per ounce. In the Indian markets, it really is moving as per the rupee calculations, but down here is what the trade also is. Silver especially has broken below 41,000 rupees per kg in the Indian markets. The energy space then also has seen a bit of a decline coming in, 2-week lows coming in for the NYMEX crude prices. The US output is much on the higher side, and of course emerging market imports have declined, and that's something that's weighing onto this space as well. Let's get in then Hitesh Jain from IIFL live on the show with his strategies on especially the energy counters there. Hitesh, hi, welcome. How are you looking at the NYMEX crude prices? We have seen a resistance at 109 on the higher side. What kind of supports levels are you now working with?
See, although the unrest in Egypt is providing kind of an element of support to the prices, but before prices spike higher, I think 102.5 seems to be, we expect a retest of those levels. So 102.5 seems to be a support. On the MCX as well, we believe that prices could scale down towards 6,100 level and then move higher. So as far as the intraday trading strategy is concerned, or the near-term trading strategy is concerned, we prefer to sell crude oil around 6,200 and a likely downside target of 6,100.
Hitesh, how would you look at the natural gas prices? Because there has been decline in that space as well in the international markets after holding for the longest time around those 220 levels. We have seen a continuous slide now coming in for this space.
And there has been serious deterioration on the charts as far as NYMEX is concerned, and 3.6, which was crucial support, has been taken away. I think we would go as low as 3.4 on the NYMEX, and as far as the MCX is concerned, 200 seems to be on the radar. So as far as the intraday or the short-term strategy is concerned, we prefer to sell around 210, keeping a target of 202.